Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete a message on Viber. So this one only works if you sent the message and it hasn't expired or been deleted by others. So to start, you have to locate that specific chat right here, open Viber and go to the chat where the message is. For example, this one you have to tap and hold the message you want to delete, select delete for everyone. On some versions, this may appear as delete for all. Now, in order for you to confirm, just tap on delete when prompted. So the message will be replaced with you deleted this message. So you can tap for delete for everyone. You can tap on delete for myself and you can also tap on cancel. So if you want to delete it for everyone, just tap delete for everyone, but you will see this. You deleted a message. Now, if you want to send a message and then later on you wanted to delete it, like you don't want to leave any trace here, but you want the receiver to view or read your message, all you have to do is to long press and then tap on delete and then tap on delete for myself. So basically, that is the second way on how to delete your message here on your Viber. So again, tap and hold the message, choose delete for myself. This only removes it from your view, not the recipients. And then after that, tap on confirm. So a piece of a reminder or important notes, there's no strict time limit, but older messages may not be removable for all participants. So if the recipient saw the message before deletion, you can't unsend their memory, only the text. Also, you cannot delete someone else's message here, just your message. So basically, that's how easy it is to delete a message on Viber. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.